If you were struggling with how to insert multiple images or pictures in your Microsoft Word documents, struggle no more because here we're going to fix it. Let's do it together. Okay, let's first access the Microsoft Word application. So I'll click on Start and select it from the list. As the document is opened, let's proceed with the insertion of the image. Click on Insert. Once you click on Insert, you'll see some commands under here. Click on Table. Okay, this displays the table of your document. Okay, the number of table columns and rows you are going to have in a document is dependent on the number of images you want to insert in the document. Okay, if you want to have three images above and three below, 3 by 2 is okay, which means three columns and two rows. Or if you want to have two images above, if you want to have two images on top and two images below, then 2 by 2 will be fine. In this case, you have two pictures on top and two pictures below. So you know how you want to arrange your images, the number of images you want to have. That will determine the number of tables you are going to insert. So anytime you take your table to any part of this, you will see the preview. Okay, but here let's go with 2 by 2, which is two rows and two columns. So click on this spot. Now you can see the table is now inserted. The next thing we need to do is that we need to increase the cells of this table. So carefully take your cursor to a section, maybe here, until you see your cursor change to this. You can see the shape I'm seeing right now on the screen. So press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag down. What we are doing is that we are increasing the cells. Okay, this is cell 1, this is cell 2. So we have increased these two. Then take your cursor down to this other cell, press and hold the left button of your mouse, and then drag down. Okay? So our images are going to be contained in these four cells. Okay, one will be here, one will be here, one will be here, and one will be here. So let's click on the first cell. Now, once you click into the first cell, the next step you need to take is to click on Insert. Okay, we are going to insert our first picture here. So click on Pictures command and then select from this device. If you want to source maybe stock images, go with this option. Or you want to source online pictures, go with this option. But here, I'm going with this device because the picture is already saved in my PC. So I'll click on that option. Then this opens the pictures folder of my computer. So navigate to where you saved the picture. In this case, I saved the pictures I want to use for this tutorial in a folder called samples. So I'll double click on it. Then this is the first picture. I'll click on it and click on insert. Now this is inserted into this first cell, but is bigger than the cell, than the cell itself. So I'll click on the cell and then take my cursor here, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will reduce it. Okay, so be strategic as you work until you get what you want. As you can see, this image is fitted in properly. Okay, then I can go and insert the second image. And for me to do that, I'll click on the first second cell. Then I'll click insert, click pictures, click this device, and then click on this and insert. As usual, it's bigger than the cell, so I will reduce it. Okay, sometimes you may even need to move the picture around. What you need to do is right click on the picture and select text wrap. Okay, wrap text. Then select top and bottom. Okay, then you can be able to adjust this image the way you want it at ease. All right, then we click on this third cell, click on insert, click on pictures, click on this device, we go and get the third one, insert. All right, as usual, click on it and then adjust it so that it will be fitted. Okay, can take it there. All right, then click on the front and then click on insert. Click on pictures, then click on this PC. This is the front, insert. Then, as usual, click on that and then reduce it so that it will fit in. But I want to drag it down and it's not working. So I'll right click, select the wrap text option and then top and button. Okay, so I can then adjust it where I want to have it. All right, good. Now we have all these four images in one. But because of these, will I say, lines of the cells, it makes it to look unprofessional. So we have to remove these lines. So I'll click into one of the cells. Okay. Okay. You can see where my cursor is blinking. Just click in one. Don't let the image to be selected, please. If the image is not allowing you to click into the cell, you have to reduce it. Okay. So as the cursor is blinking in the cell, what you need to do is right click in the cell. Then select table properties. This opens this dialog box, table properties dialog box. Then what you need to do is click on borders and shading. Then click on none. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. With this, we don't have any borders or lines. Okay, what you can just say is that we have four pictures in different paragraphs of this Word document. Okay, we can go ahead and keep on creating the other parts of the document. Okay, as simple as that. All right. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, okay, which cuts across how to use some applications and software, how to use iPhone and Android device, as well as the use of computers, okay, of different types. So subscribe to learn more things, okay? We also cover YouTube education for content creators and future content creators. So you may want to create content tomorrow. So you still need to subscribe to learn about that when I release such videos, okay? So please do subscribe. Hit the like button, okay, so that YouTube will know that this content is a valuable content. If you don't hit it, there is no how they will know that this video is helpful. So please, just that like button. Have you done that? Good one. Thank you. All right. Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel if this fixes the problem that brought you here, or you need something extra on insertion of pictures in Microsoft Word document. Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on how to use Microsoft Word program. Thank you and see you some other time.